Okay, we're back. Part 3. We're gonna hold this on. Alright, cool. Straight on. That means it's probably not the ignition switch anymore. Hold that on there. Cut that on. Then run out to the back. Well, we will be listening for a fuel pump to cut on. Hope we can make it. We're running. Okay, we're here. I can hear the fuel pump, but it doesn't really sound that loud. Okay, we had fuel pump. Where's the start? Fuel pump, where's the start? Come on, really? Come on, man! I'm gonna sit you down for a second. Dandy torch and their handy dandy screw-a-majigger. We're gonna put you down for a second. This time facing up, I don't know. Hold on a second. We're in here. The fuse is intact. Wow. It's a little wiggly, but it's still good. Let's take this out. Check it out. The groove. Are we oxidized? No, not really. Let's wipe it off. Kind of hot. Little film of grease on there. Dielectric grease, which is to conduct electricity. Ah! Oh, we got power. Okay, cool. All right, we got power. All right, push it down again. on the box again. Now I'm waiting for this fuel pump. Should be about 15 seconds. 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Well, damn it, that was sufficient amount of time. Let me go check it again. Okay, I went back in the cab, and the panel, I think they call the human machine interface, is no longer lit up. Take this back out. Put back in. Check once again. Yes, it is good. Right at measure, we're going to reset the system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back on. Sit you down. Okay, I'm back. The only thing I could think of at this point would be a stuck relay, which means back to the drawing board. I have to find out where this relay lives at. My guess is under the hood somewhere. This is a 50 amp fuse, so it's not going to be more than a 50 amp relay. Every time I unplug this, let it set for a second, put it back in, I'll get juice back. Well, my guess is a relay. If I find this out before I get to the Thermo King place and just stick me my own relay in there, I'll probably save me a couple $100. Lord mercy, God bless. Stick with it tomorrow. I might have some more updates before then, I'm not sure. Well, I'm thinking this shit through logically and trying to remember how these systems work. It's been a long time since I worked on vehicles. I used to rebuild vehicles from the ground up, so in theory I know all this. But you know, if you don't use it, you lose it. Stand by. Don't forget to like. Push the little button right there, thingy. Appreciate your time.